Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about four things about millionaires people believe. Let's get into the video. Today there's a lot more millionaires being made than any other lifetime. However, millionaires are just ordinary people like you and I. So they also go through times of success and also periods of stress. Now, the four things about millionaires people believe are: one, millionaires are all born into wealth. One common misconception is that all millionaires come from wealthy backgrounds or inherited their fortunes. While some millionaires may have been born into affluent families, many self made millionaires have built their wealth through hard work, perseverance, and smart financial decisions. They often start from humble beginnings and gradually accumulate wealth over time through entrepreneurship, investments, and strategic financial planning. Secondly, millionaires have extravagant lifestyles. Another myth is that all millionaires live luxurious and extravagant lives. While some wealthy individuals may choose to display their wealth through extravagant purchases, many millionaires are frugal and live relatively modest lifestyles. They prioritize financial discipline and long term wealth preservation over excessive spending. This conservative approach to money management is often what allows them to build and maintain their wealth in the first place. The third thing about millionaires people believe are millionaires have high paying jobs. It's commonly assumed that all millionaires have high paying jobs or successful careers. While a high income can certainly contribute to building wealth, it is not the sole determining factor. Many millionaires have achieved their financial success through multiple income streams, such as owning businesses, real estate investment, stock market investment, or other entrepreneurial ventures. They focus on generating passive income and building assets that appreciate over time. The fourth thing about millionaires people believe are millionaires are always happy and stress free. The idea that wealth equates to happiness and a worry free life is a misleading notion. While financial security can certainly elevate certain stress, millionaires face their own unique challenges and pressures. Managing large sums of money, making wise investment decisions, and dealing with the complexity of wealth management can be stressful and time consuming. Additionally, the pursuit of wealth can sometimes come at the expense of personal relationships and overall well being. It's important to recognize that happiness and fulfillment extend beyond financial status. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.